Alright, what's up beautiful people? This is Danish Sid and you're watching Adventureunlock. We are in Golden Earth. This is a most beautiful hike, the most breathtaking view from the mountain hike. It's gonna be 21 to 24 kilometers hike, going up and coming down, but it says really gonna be intense. Well, if the mountain doesn't kill me, that means it's not my mountain, but I'm still gonna try this one because it says it's an intense one. I hope you're gonna like this video, and here we start from here. Alright guys, we are starting from here, which goes with West Cannon Trailer, Lower Falls, and the final one is Golden Earth. So we have reached the intense level of the mountain hike, and we are sweating like crazy. We need some food, I guess, in the meantime. Alright, so we are roughly more than half now, and this is so heavenly. I can't wait to see more going on, what's gonna be up. So how do you feel, Anson?
Nothing to say.
No words?
I'm waiting for the see the top view.
And we have reached 9.5 kilometers right now, and it's being amazing. We are having a ball of time. You can see behind me it's complete clouds, and we are actually a little tired because we are carrying tent with us, but it is amazing. The view here is just breathtaking, guys. I hope I can show you a little bit how it looks. I hope you can see the whole view from here. So how is going, Anselin? He's tired. If this mountain doesn't kill me, this is not the mountain. Alright guys, so we have reached almost the top. It is still 45 minutes, I guess.
Yeah.
45 minutes for the hike, but the view is just breathtaking. It is fantastic. We are tired, but we are having a lot of energy to see this view. Exactly. What do you have to say, Anselin?
Oh boy, nothing to say. It's worth climbing up. Like all the tiredness goes when you see this beautiful heaven. Yeah.
This hike is something that you need to be very careful, because if you drop something, if you drop yourself as well, you're done.
That is only on the last 500 meters or something.
Yeah. Otherwise it's all fine.
Exactly. So just be careful with while you're climbing, but it is just super worth coming here. I can't wait to go up and take some more pictures and videos, but yeah, you will find how it looks. So enjoy the view, guys. This is something really cool. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have set up our tent here, but up here we have noticed there is a lot of bugs, so we'll be needing a bug spray and
Or a bug lotion.
or a bug lotion. There you go. Right guys, it's getting windy and you can see the view behind, and we are hopping in our tent. It is freezing, and we will be experiencing how the night will be. Alright guys, it is super windy right now. We are done for the day. It's morning 7 or 8 a.m. I guess, but yeah, it is windy. I cannot take my gadgets or drones anymore because it's gonna be very tough while going down. And I hope you enjoyed the view and everything that we saw, but yeah, it's gonna be fun while going down as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Danish Sid. You're watching Adventureunlock. Please like, share, subscribe the video. Please comment the video down. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.